Hi, welcome back to Arissa International. Today we're showing how we helped a manufacturing team streamline sales reporting by connecting HubSpot with Google Sheets. When reporting is manual, decision-making becomes slower and less efficient. Let's see how automation changed that. The team was using HubSpot to manage deals, but reporting was handled separately in Google Sheets. This created a few key challenges. Manual data exports took time and required repeated effort. Data inconsistencies due to manual handling, limited flexibility when analyzing HubSpot data inside Google Sheets, disconnected workflow between CRM and reporting tools. As a result, reporting was slower and less reliable. To fix this, we implemented a structured integration between HubSpot and Google Sheets. Automated data integration connected HubSpot with Google Sheets for continuous data sync. Structured data mapping captured key deal data like amount, owner, stage, and close date. Reporting framework built organized Google Sheets dashboards for monthly and yearly tracking. Workflow alignment reduced manual effort and ensured consistent data flow across systems. This created a seamless reporting system without changing how the team works. Here's what changed after implementation. Manual reporting effort was significantly reduced. Sales data became instantly accessible in Google Sheets. Reporting consistency improved across teams. Monthly and yearly performance tracking became easier. Overall visibility into sales activities increased. Teams could now focus on insights instead of data handling. By connecting HubSpot with Google Sheets, we transformed reporting from a manual task into an automated system. If your team is still exporting data manually, it's time to simplify your reporting workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Arissa International for more tips to streamline your sales reporting.